Doesn't it look yummy? For this super yummy recipe, let's check out. And let's make this for dinner tonight. And for this I have used 500 grams of boneless chicken. I have washed it and I will add 1.5 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Remember, soy sauce contains salt, so be careful while using the salt. Mix it well, and now I'm going to add 1 egg into it. Mix it well and rest it for 20 minutes. While my chicken is marinating, I will cut a pineapple, and cutting a pineapple is quite difficult at home. So I have found out the easiest one. So take a sharp knife if you want to learn how to cut the pineapple in easiest form. So do write in the comment section. I'll make another video how to cut the pineapple at home. It's not that tough. If I can do it, you can do it better than me. And now I will remove the core from the pineapple and slice it into pieces, the small pieces which we need for our chicken. And now I will add 1 cup of maida or flour, and into it I'm going to add half a cup of corn flour. Mix it well, and now after 20 minutes my chicken has been marinated, and now I will dip into the dry flour and corn flour mixture and fry it in the hot oil. A very simple tips you have to follow, that once your chicken has been coated with the dry flour mixture, immediately fry it in the oil or it will be soggy. Remember that you coat your chicken with the flour and the corn flour mixture, immediately fry in hot oil. This will give a very good crunchiness to your chicken, and from the inside it will be soft and juicy. And fry it in medium-high flame. In another pan, I'm going to add the leftover oil here, around about 3 tablespoons of oil, and into it I'm going to add some veggies, bell pepper, red and yellow, some onions, and 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and chopped ginger. First I will stir fry this for about 1 minute in high flame, and now I'm going to add the veggies and cook it with some green chilies and stir it for around about 1 or 2 minutes. And I will add here some red dry chilies chopped here and stir it. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends. I have added here salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well, and now I will add 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce, and mix it well. Remember, we have added salt, and while adding the soy sauce, be careful. I have added here 1 tablespoon of lime juice or vinegar, and now I will add the pineapple chunks here and mix it well and let it cook for around about 2 minutes or so. And I will add the fried chicken pieces here, saute it well, mix it all together so that all the ingredients mix well here. And now I will add some pepper powder into it, and I will make 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour with some water and make a celery out of it, and I will add it here and then stir fry it and cook for about 1 minute in high flame and switch off the gas. Remember, do not overcook it. It will take hardly 5 minutes to make this recipe. Serve it hot and garnish it with some roasted sesame seeds. And do enjoy this mandarin chili sour chicken. And do let me know in the comment section how did you like it. Do make it. Stay tuned for the accompanied dish. Bye bye. Take care.